Inside my content creation system, you'll find my social media strategy. So this is where I plan my social media strategy in a way that actually makes sense for how I work. And instead of having this written down on a random scrap of paper, it's here inside my content system, so I can view it every time I go to plan. Instead of just posting whatever comes to mind, this helps me step back and think about what I actually want my content to do, not just what I want to share. I use this to define my content pillars, so each piece of content has a purpose. Whether that's building trust, sharing what I'm learning, or connecting with people on a more personal level, it means I'm not constantly second guessing what to post because I've already decided the role that each type of content plays. It's also where I connect my content to actual goals. So instead of just posting and hoping that something works, I know what each piece of content is leading towards, whether that's growing an audience, building a wait list, or getting people interested in what I'm creating. And the biggest thing is it keeps everything visible while I'm creating. So when I sit down to plan or film or design something, I'm not starting from scratch every single time. I can see the bigger picture, and it just makes the whole process feel a lot more intentional and a lot less overwhelming. So to create your own pillar, just click Add New Pillar. Then type in your theme, a description, your pillar goals, and a call to action. So where do you want this to take people? Maybe it's your mailing list, a link in your bio, your shop front, or a YouTube channel. You can go back and edit any pillar here by clicking the pencil icon, and you can move your pillars about by clicking the up and down arrows. And that's it, my pillars are all here waiting for me whenever I'm ready to plan.